Assalamu alaikum grade 8. This is Abda Janjua with the first English language lesson of the new session for you, and the topic is tenses. There are two basic concepts that you have to keep in mind while learning about tenses. One is the tenses and the other is aspects of actions. Tense means time. And time can be divided into three parts. One is the time that has gone, it is called past. The second is the time that is present around us right now, and it is called present tense, while the third is the one that has to come, and it is called future. Aspect describes the action's degree of progress or completion. It actually tells about the condition of the action, whether it is completed, going on, routine, or what. Let's study with the help of the timeline, and if you look at the timeline, you will see that time can be indicated in three ways. First is the time that has gone, and it is called past tense. The second is the time that is present around us right now, it is present tense, and the third is the time that has to come, and it is called future tense. Next, there are four aspects of actions in every tense, and they are indefinite, continuous, perfect, and perfect continuous, and you see all four of them are there in every tense. Let's see how these aspects of actions are used in past tense. For all those actions that took place at any time in past, indefinite aspect is used, and for all those actions that were taking place at any particular time in past, continuous aspect is used. Perfect is used for all those actions that had ended by a given time in past, and perfect continuous is used for all those actions that had started before a given time in past and had not ended by then. Let's learn by comparison by using one verb in all aspects of action. He wrote a book last year. It is indefinite because it's about an action that took place at a time in past. He was writing a book at this time last year. In this sentence, we are talking about an action that was going on at a particular time in past. Therefore, we have used continuous aspect of action. Next is, he had written a book by this time last year. This is perfect aspect, and it is describing an action that had finished before a given time in past, that is at this time. And he had been writing a book for a month this time last year. This is perfect continuous aspect, and it is describing an action that had begun before a given time in past and had not ended by then. Now copy these sentences on paper or compose them, and in front of every sentence write which aspect of action is used in it, whether it is indefinite, continuous, perfect, or perfect continuous. And after that, mail your effort to me. I will love to check. Allah Hafiz.